I received this electric whiskey smoker set as a gift, and I'm actually really excited about this one because it solves a problem we've already dealt with before. A few years ago, I bought my husband one of those torch style cocktail smokers for Father's Day, and while it worked great at first, the biggest issue we ran into was the torch itself. It eventually just stopped refilling properly, and it kind of made the whole thing frustrating to use. So right away, what I love about this one is that it's completely electric, and it has a built-in lighter, so you don't need butane or an external torch at all. That alone makes this feel like a huge upgrade. You don't have to worry about refilling anything, buying extra fuel, or dealing with a torch that might stop working over time. This is also rechargeable, which makes it super convenient. You just charge it up and it's ready to go whenever you want to use it. In the video, I'm showing everything that comes in the set. It includes a smoker itself, and it also comes with 6 different types of wood chips, which is really nice because you can experiment with different flavors right away. Having multiple wood options is a big plus because each one gives a slightly different flavor profile. So you can switch things up depending on what you're drinking or what kind of taste you're going for. Another feature that makes this feel more high-end is the LCD screen. It just makes everything feel more modern and easy to control compared to older torch style versions. In the video, I'm showing how simple it is to actually use. You just add your wood chips, place it over your glass, and turn it on. It starts producing smoke and you can watch it fill the glass, which is honestly one of the coolest parts. It gives that full smoked cocktail experience without needing any complicated setup. It's also really nice for entertaining. This is definitely one of those things that people notice right away when you're bringing it out. It's a cool little feature that adds something extra. And like I mentioned earlier, my husband is so excited to use this. Since we've had the torch version before, this just feels like a better and more convenient option. Not having to deal with a torch that won't refill anymore is honestly a huge upgrade for us. Another thing I like is that everything is pretty compact and easy to store, so it doesn't take up a ton of space when you're not using it. It's also really straightforward. You don't need to be an expert to use this. It's simple enough that anyone can pick it up and figure it out quickly. Overall, this is a really great set, especially if you've ever used or thought about getting a cocktail smoker before. The fact that it's electric, rechargeable, and has a built-in lighter, and it comes with multiple wood chip options just makes it so much more convenient and user-friendly. And if you've ever dealt with the frustration of a torch not working properly like we have, this completely eliminates that issue. This would also make a really great gift, especially for someone who enjoys whiskey, cocktails, or hosting at home. It's one of those things that's both fun and practical, and it definitely adds something extra to the experience.